Ano?
Ito na, tatalo na talaga. Kailangan ba mabuelo?
Sige po, bumelo ka na. May bangka oh. Para kami napapanood natin sa TikTok. Ang tagal tumalan ah. Station dyan sa train.
So we're now here at Naiya. So we're just going to put our bag for bag drop. Ay wait lang,
Self-drop?
bag drop. Okay, gusto mo mag-try tayo? Pwede naman, tara, try natin. So here, have two options. Merong bag drop na may mag-access.
Dito no?
Tapos may self bag drop. We're doing a self drop bag. Okay, ensure the bag is placed, scan bag tag number, carefully belt, all good. Naghahanap pa yun ng food to go. So first stop sa ground floor, Tambayan at iba pa. Let's check inside kung anong mga available. So pwede dito yung mga naghihintay for arrival. We have here your foods. Ganda, meron din siyang arrival nook. Orange street food, prutas, Pande Coco, Boss Coffee. Merong malaking board. So you can check the arrival time. Meron pang mga soon to open. We have here Via Mare, Pampanga Cuisine. Have here Bicolano, Palm Grill, authentic Southern Mindanao Cuisine, Ginebra, San Miguel Spirit Bar, Kusina Ilocos, Batangueña. We have your Bulacan for Bulacan, Reynaldo's Pasalubong. Beside that, we also have the treats. So that's it for Tambayan at iba pa. So next is on the second floor, we have the Mesa Food Hall. Tugami Udon, Draco Reserve, San Esteban. We have a Mary Grace, Mama Luz, Kenny Rogers, Barista, Chili's, Anyang. May soon to open a modern siyang bread to. And also Angel's Pizza, Popeyes, Chowking. Ang ganda. Sa level 4 na siya. There's more on lounges. W Lounge, meron din. Thank you. Boarding time. Let's go, Butuan! Go, Butuan! So we're now bound to Butuan City. Welcome to Butuan! Hey, we're here now! So it's around 6:15. We arrived here at Butuan Airport. Ilang days tayo mag-stay dito? Hanggang bukas lang pala kami mag-stay. Since may work kami mamayang gabi. Tapos bukas, diretso kami ng Surigao papunta. Barkong papuntang Siargao. Oh, yun. Na-reveal na sa kami. We're going to Siargao! Hi guys! Good evening! We're now here at Butuan City. Okay, tomorrow, diretso na kaming Surigao. Diyan sa SM Butuan, meron na dyan sakayan. May van going to Surigao. From Surigao, sasakay ng barko going to Siargao. And kanina, kinita namin yung old naka-work niya. Sabi, may paparating daw na possible typhoon. Hopefully, hindi magtuloy para maganda yung stay namin sa Siargao. So, hi guys! Time check, 3:51 a.m. We are still currently doing our report time. So, So here's our quick check on how typical workspace do we have during our travel time with Ivan. Parehas kaming virtual assistant. So ito yung itsura ng setup namin. If ever na limited lang yung space, isa lang yung table, pinipili ko madalas talaga yung bed. Mas komportable ako. So ganito yung itsura niya. So ito. Dito yung laptop ko. Si Ivan, mas preferred niya. Mas comfortable kasi sa table. After my work, punta na kami sa baba. We'll have our breakfast. Hi, good morning everyone. Time check, 6 a.m. So we'll go down to get our breakfast. May free breakfast siya included dun sa stay namin. Let's go. I still have an hour before I end my shift. Thank you. So I have here my coffee. Then hindi kasi siya ma-coffee ever since. I think it's mango juice. Yeah, it's mango juice. Our food just arrived. Ito siya. So I got longganisa with egg, with my coffee, egg with ham. Ilang pirasong ham mo? 3 pirasong ham. Then fried rice. So, yeah. Kain na kami. Then hi guys! Good morning! Naglalakad kami ngayon sa gilid ng SM Butuan. Let's see paano pumunta dun sa sakayan pa Surigao. Ayun, nandun na. Nandun na yung pila ng mga van. Ayan, doon. Pearl Express Transport. So yun, nag-check na sila dito mga kano yung biyahe pa Surigao. 320 per head. So dito yung cashier. Tapos nasa loob kami ng waiting area nila. So we're now at the van going to Surigao. So 7 lang kami sa loob. Hindi ko sure kung ano yung patulog. Oras?
11:30.
Magkano?
4:50.
Dito ang port ng Surigao. Ganda. Mag-11 pa lang. So we still have 30 minutes to wait here. Kain muna tayo. They do have potato corner. I'll just order. May golden sweet corn. Wala. Sige, ano na lang. Sour cream barbecue. May nakita akong parang lemonade shop. Order tayo. The lemon coke. We got go back. Thank you. Sorry po. Order na. Init. Spirit. Siyang suotin. Cover man lang ng ulo natin. Yan. Pwede na yan. Eh, wala kang sunscreen. Good job. Sige, Dad. Ako na dito. Pwede pasok yung sapatos. This is, we'll consider us home for 10 days. Habang di pa makalat, quick tour tayo. Pagkapasok natin, left side, merong bathroom, may shower. Good thing may bidet. Hi! Then, the bed. King size ata to. King size ba to? Malaki. Aircon, table, upuan, may window. Cute din. Welcome to Malaya Stay. Let's try to fix. Tsura kanina yung pinakita ko sa inyo. Gusto ko kasi ma-move tong table dito sa bandang bintana. Kasi tingnan nyo, Ang inopen ko to, so may natural light. Pero mag-get ready with me ako. Kita ko sa inyo. O, diba? No need na pang ring light. Kitang-kita na lahat ng blemishes and all those stuff kapag overdo yung makeup. So yun, bago tayo magpahinga, ilagay muna natin sa lagayan ng damit yung gamit natin para wala na tayong isipin later. Ay, hindi tala yung gamit namin ni Dada. Low na kami dyan. So yun, all done. Nagpalit na rin ako pantulog. Then I'll just do some quick facial wash para mawala yung sunscreen ko. And yeah, I think I need to have a quick nap. See you later. Bye. So, hi guys, good afternoon. We're here now in Siargao. First stop for our dinner, Pep's Barbecue. Appetizing. Dami daw kumakain dito. Ang lawak ng kainan nila. Oh, merong tumutugtog paggabi. Order tayo. Pwede yan, isang pork barbecue. Tapos isang pork chorizo. So, ay, may hotdog pala. Ang cute ng wall nila. Oh. May the cute paintings ng mga tourist destination here at Siargao. Tapos yung parang coconut street. Dinner namin. Tawag sa isaw, manok is tinahin. Let's eat! Isaw. So yun, naubos. For me, it's 8/10 kasi hindi kami napa-extra rice. Gusto ko yung sauce niya, sweet sauce talaga siya. Sarap ng chili. Overall, okay naman. Magkano total? 335. 2 rice, mga meat, and then 1 bottled water, isang coke kasal. Tapos na kami kumain kaso hindi na namin mabutan yung nag-setup na banda. Siguro next time, kapag wala kaming work, since may work din kami today, hindi rin namin mapapala dyan. So there you go.
Malamok.
Bye for now.